Do you like motorcycle content? Well, this video is for you. Actually, it's more of a question. So, I'm genuinely curious, when you're watching YouTube and you're watching motorcycle related content, what kind of stuff are you looking for? Like, are you looking for moto vlog style things? Or do you want product reviews, bike reviews? Or do you just want like the crazy tricks? Alright, well, I've basically had it with GoPro, I'll tell you that much. On my way here, the thing just ate shit and stopped doing the thing that it's supposed to be doing out of nowhere. And that's now the third time in a row that that's happened. So I'm getting real fed up. If anyone else has like a suggestion for a better action camera, then let a brother know, will you? Because I'm in the market. I've been considering like the DJI or the maybe just the Insta360. The only problem is with Insta360, they really like their own software, you know, and I don't want to have to do that. I want to take the SIM card or SD card, whatever it's called, and I want to toss it in my computer and voila. Yeah, anyway, as I was saying earlier, I don't know what part cut off. At the point that I'm recording this, I don't know where I got up to, but anyway, what are you looking for in a motovlog? Do you want like gear reviews? Do you want bike reviews? Do you want like the stupid fast speeding stunt sort of stuff that I'm not qualified to do, so I probably won't be doing that, by the way? Do you like to see funny clips, or do you want like a moto vlog where, like, you know, I pick a topic and let's discuss it, you know? I don't mind rolling up my sleeves a little bit and getting dirty with some greasy topics, you know what I mean? You know, I've lived a little. I don't mind doing that. Alright, cardio is done. Let's f***ing hit the road. The sun's setting a little earlier nowadays. Like, it's, I don't know if my GoPro picks this up, but it's 8:38 right now and the sun is down. Feels like just a couple weeks ago the sun would have been like comfortably up at this point, and I would have been about to head into the orange sky, you know what I mean? But I guess that's the evolution of life and all its things. The sun is a weird thing. I mean, ultimately it's the most powerful force we know, but hey, who knows? Oh, I'm still wearing my workout clothes just underneath my my clothes I'm wearing right now, so I'm like, at least on the top, I'm not wearing the same shorts, but I'm wearing the same shirt anyway. I can feel like the breeze through my gear and my sweater and shit, and oh my goodness, we're doing some first gear riding tonight apparently. There's one light behind me on a vehicle, and I can't tell if it's a motorcycle or just someone with a burnt out light. Alright, I'm underneath a tunnel, and I've actually made a point in one of my videos sometime to complain that I'm always like directly like half under it, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, it's not a big tunnel, it's just a short one, like 3 lanes worth of bridge, but that sounded good. You know what's crazy? Someone went to a store and bought that vehicle. Like, I mean, every car sells eventually, all right? Rule number one, but a yellow Fiat with a white roof. That's a different level of what the f, mate. Oh, the bike sounded so good and I ruined it with my roaring. Ooh, it's like that perfect temperature tonight where it's not cold, but it's like it's not hot, you know what I mean? Like it's super comfortable. I'm just wearing a hoodie over top of my gear and shit. I mean, I did just leave the gym from doing cardio, but that's that. Look at this guy, fat gut on him. I'm gonna body shame the shit out of this guy. Driving a Venza, like f off. Oh yeah, oh, give me the f***ing passing lane. Woo! Listen to all that popcorn. Wow. Whoa, dude. Whoa, man. Yeah, there goes my brothers, dude, my homies. What you gonna do, my brothers?
Well, let me tell you something, brother.
Actually, I think there's a guy on a bike pulling up beside me. Bouncing all over the road back there. I saw it. I was predicting its path too, man. You got to. Look at this guy go, yes, buddy. Oh, he's gone, man.